Usembut Menteri Rembak Kajala ba Prestone tensong aba krem dikilat patai kubor ulaong ba manlau usnam ujulai chimbanta ha gejingraki ya Shad Nongkrem bat kedai gejinglek nem jo hima khairim kabalong kawai ni hima kibahe ubat tensong ulaong ru ba hima kadang le ya gejinglek nem katkum kerukom tenrai bat manta kalalong kesengi kebakhado jong gejingraki ulapan pau kejing sngongu ba gejing ai kublai ya usim hima khairim upa im balajet singsim ula berabru da kabaong baka konstituensi jong uru kahap hapo ka hima khairim habai dei begijing keli lor ka cherry blossom bat ka Shad Nongkrem usembut Menteri Rangba Ulaong ka cherry blossom festival ka pher baklabak namar ka dei tangka tamasa ba peni ya kasap kapong roi ka Shad Nongkrem ka dei kejing le niam ulapan pauru bak sorkar ka ai kejing kershan ni kejing le niam kum ka wangala dance Nongkrem dance sengkhasi dance bat ka be dingklam daga ba ai jingerap shakibor ka bedai pen Nagaleng ubat tensong la kentui ke bor district council bakin tray borba man penek pensa bat ban buram nya keriti kedustur bat kerukom im jong kejat bereu kenang ba kinlong ke bane ha kejela mikhalaya
Well, I think every year we used to attend this Nongkrem dance, where we call it, and the Hima Khairim. I think one of the biggest Hima, you say, they do conducting the the customary practices every year, and again today is the last day, and being the last day, I think we have seen it, I've experienced it. I used to attend almost every annual event that we have, and I'm so thankful to the CM of Hima Khairim, and also I would like to say that because even myself and my constituency is part of this Hima Khairim, so I'm so proud seeing the turnout of the people during this festival, annual festival, and I'm very sure with this festival that we are having every year, it will bring more blessings to the entire Hima as well as to the state of Meghalaya.
We have the upcoming comment.
See, if you talk about the Cherry Blossom Festival, it's totally different from this festival. This is a customary laws, I should say. It's also a spiritual festival, I should say. Whereas if you talk about the Cherry Blossom Festival that we have, where the government also is part of it, it's totally different. This is, to make sure that the exposures of our talents that we have in the state of Meghalaya, different singers we have, different talented young boys and young girls. So that is already, I think that is totally different, I should say, from the festival that we are having. And now I'm telling you, we are fully a part of the spiritual festival that we are having, be it Wangala dance, be it Nongkrem dance, be it Sengkhasi dance. We are part of it, and be it what we call it, be it from Joy, that Bedling Club. So government used to give some kind of assistance annually to these traditional bodies, so that they can preserve, they can further strengthen the event that we have every year.
Do you think that the vanishing traditional art forms and traditional dance forms should be also researched and documented?
Yeah, it is. In fact, we would again request all the district councils, because we have 3 district councils here in our state, Jantia, Khasi and Garu. We impress upon the district council to encourage our people to make sure that the customary laws and customary practices is at any point of time prevails in the state of Meghalaya.
On topical issue,